ईद के बाद से जो स्टार्ट हुआ है।
So proud of being
और रिपेयरिंग के फौरन बाद moon was there.
Hi, oh my God,
It's been so long.
it's been a
long day.
Actually, I can't sing that because I've been with you for so long.
Yeah. Straight like 3 weekends.
Guys, okay, we're about to talk so much. We're about to yap and
Be
open
prepared.
because हम लोगों ने कब से vlog से कैमरा से बात नहीं करी है and we're just gonna give you a rundown. Okay, can you just stay? हमारे जिंदगी के most disorienting 2 weeks थे ये. 2 weeks.
For real.
Just
Like
drop my fucking
we
phone.
had midterms.
We had wedding.
We
hang
had
out.
family functions.
started
And
ईद के बाद से जो स्टार्ट हुआ है. Okay, ईद के बाद आया संडे and because we couldn't hang out on Eid, I talked about it in my vlog. मेरा ईद का vlog जाके आप लोग देख लो. We hung out on April 6th. तो हम लोग गए Berry Adventureland. So basically Saturday को क्या हुआ, मेरी cousin की शादी थी तो we had this like रत जगह where we like stayed up all night, all of our
no,
cousins.
I was there, but I think I left.
You left early, yeah. Rat Jaga is like basically Rat Jaga, you know, you jog the whole night. I came home at 5 in the morning, like literally Fajr ki azane hui thi, and it was crazy because we just like we were up the whole night, we were having fun, partying and everything. फिर संडे को सुबह जल्दी उठना था because we had to go to Berry Adventureland, which we went to. It was so much fun. We had so much fun. I'll put the clips
amazing.
after all of this. But because we hadn't slept, I was just having the worst time in Berry. Like I was just sick the whole time.
It was fun, but it was also like tiring. Like it was
too tiring. The week after that, we got all of our midterm assignments because हमारे teachers को एकदम से midterms आने वाले हैं एकदम से because we had 1 week.
Yeah, they could not give it before ईद के बंदा चलो ईद में थोड़ा सा टाइम निकाल के या रात को बैठ के कुछ ना कुछ कर ले. They had to give it after Eid and we only had one week to do.
Just like मंडे को जो असाइनमेंट मिली वो अगले मंडे देनी है. अप्रैल 10th को मेरी कजन की फिर मायो थी. अप्रैल 12th को फिर उसकी मेहंदी थी. फिर क्या हुआ, हाँ 9 को मैं गई अपनी कजन क्या यूनिवर्सिटी से घर गई चेंज. आई वेंट टू हर प्लेस बिकॉज़ आई हैड टू डू द डेकोरेशंस.
मेहंदी की सुबह I went to her place and
मेहंदी की पूरे वीकेंड शी वाज ओवर बिकॉज़ मेहंदी लाइक सैटरडे रात को हुई थी.
Saturday.
right? मेहंदी से हम लोग घर पे भी नहीं आए. मेहंदी से वी वेंट टू माय मामूस प्लेस से हम लोग चाय पीने चले गए रात को. फिर हम फजर में आए. क्रेजी 2 बजे हमारे इवेंट खत्म हुआ. हम लोग मामू के यहाँ गए. वहाँ से थोड़े लोग ही फ्रेश हो सकते हैं बिकॉज वी डिडंट हैव ऑल ऑफ आवर क्लोथ्स एंड नाउ वी लिटरली एट क्लिफ्टन जस्ट हैविंग चाय. एंड हम लोगों ने ये वाला होटल आई डोंट इवन नो कैफे क्लिफ्टन कुछ नाम है इसका. पूरा ऐसे टॉप फ्लोर हम लोगों ने कब्जा किया हुआ है. ओके एनीवेज नाउ वी आर जस्ट गोना एंजॉय आवर कॉफी. बाय बाय. क्या हो रहा है?
He's just a boy.
Look at his feet. And next Sunday we had to fucking shoot for our midterm ki assignment.
like shoot wala assignment, not even like sit and like write something or edit
Theory
something. We also wrote a script literally.
Yeah, 14th ko we again went to their place because this was like her last day before her shadi, before her rukhsati. It was a fun time because my cousin, like she's close cousin of mine, matlab hum meri age ki hai and she's friends with her too, so we obviously had to go. Na keh bhi nahi sakte the.
Yeah, and we love going to
yeah,
weddings.
we're not
we
one
love
of those
having that.
people
Yeah,
that
okay.
will
शादी में
exam,
कौन जाए?
and then I got fucking sick. Literally मेहंदी अगले दिन I got sick so bad.
बहुत बुरी नजर लग गई.
बारात हुई थी April 14th को, तो April 13th I was sick the whole day, right? Met everyone on 14th. They're like, और तैयार होके डांस करो. And then बारात में I could not because she wanted to do my makeup. So
we both were really dead. Like we had no energy in our body. Because Sunday को हमने shoot किया. फिर अगले दिन हमें मिड टर्म देने
या मंडे को मिड टर्म
मंडे
था,
को
उस
हम
दिन
मिड
रात
टर्म
को
था और उस दिन रात को हमें शादी में जाना था, तो हम मिड टर्म वापस दे के गए. वी स्लेप्ट
the whole
the
time.
whole time. We did not care कि हमें तैयार होना है, हमें प्रिपेयर करनी है, रेडी जैसा भी
तैयार हो सकते हैं. She did my makeup a little bit. She wanted to do like this fancy as makeup.
Yeah, like I had inspirations and everything out, but उस वक्त नहीं था, बिल्कुल भी
देखो,
दिमाग में नहीं
energy
चल
नहीं
रहा था. And she was also sick, so I felt bad कि उसको मैं बिठाऊं और फिर
वो सब कुछ वाला वीक तो फिर स्लो गया because we were just midterm दे रहे थे and like preparation हमारी zero थी. We didn't stress out these midterms because we didn't even have fucking time for that. Usually हम लोग midterm में अपने आप को इतना stress out कर लेते कि हम finals तक we're like dead, we're done.
we consciously decided कि midterms are not a big deal, let's just take it slow and chill. Time के साथ एक्चुअली हमने स्ट्रेस नहीं लिया और हो गया midterm.
Exactly.
फिर वलीमे में ये गई थी.
थर्सडे को वलीमा हुआ, शादी खत्म हुई. फ्राइडे सैटरडे I'm sick again. सैटरडे ये रात को she came to my place. Sunday morning we had an event again. और वो इवेंट हुआ है. Sorry, my camera was in the धूप for so long. संडे को हमारे इवेंट्स खत्म हुए हैं and अब जाके finally
फ्री. ईद के बाद अब फ्री हुए.
अब in between all of this I got a PR package, my first PR
Yeah.
package. Yeah.
Confetti.
कल रात को हम लोग को उसकी शूटिंग के लिए जाना पड़ा.
So proud of you.
Thank you.
So it was really pretty. Abhi she's gonna upload it on her Instagram.
Yeah.
That's the link to her Instagram. Or here. Or here.
It's just gonna be
I don't
here.
know.
I'm just gonna put my ad over
Yeah.
here on my. Anyways, that brings us to our relaxation day. She's finally gonna go home and like for next 2 weeks, please don't show up to my place.
I am not.
I thought I was being so rude to her and I could feel it, but I was like, I am so tired of people and socializing. And honestly, I'm not well. I'm still not properly well.
But me and Ayan were just coping with it.
Yeah, you guys have to. See you guys. Hope you enjoy this video. We'll see you guys next week with a more chiller, more university surrounded, university related vlog. Okay, bye
Bye.
hope you enjoy watching it as much as we enjoyed living through it, even though we got sick and then we didn't get any sleep and we were tired and cranky and just pissed off the whole time, but whatever. True.
उल्टी भी इतनी बड़ी होगी पैर.
Guys, we're at Berry Adventureland and we're gonna have such a fun day.
Inshallah.
Oh no, it's dark. You guys can't see anything. That's okay. We'll look at him walking only in the shade. Hey, bye, say hi. Hi. Oh my God, so loud and crazy. That was bad. That was so bad. Literally had my eyes closed the whole time. I don't care if I missed out on the ride. I could not do it. Could not keep my eyes open. Yeah, Hiba fainted a little bit.
No, I didn't faint. I was just like,
matlab, she just like gave up and stopped.
I don't like kashti.
Really?
Yeah.
I did not like the last one.
I पेंट तो खुद ही होती है, अच्छी नहीं लगती मुझे.
गुदी तो मेन वो होता है.
Oh shit, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, it stops it.
Nice.
मेरा है क्या ये?
कोई बात नहीं, बच्चों की on top.
I know how to stop Gudgudi, guys, so I don't feel too bad in this ride because when you bend, it doesn't hurt that much. Sorry, my hijab is gonna wear the whole. What the hell? It's so zoomed in.
I thought you जाएगा.
Okay, I'm trying. Okay. It's so hard, but the employee told us to go again if we want to right now because बाद में बारी नहीं मिलेगी. I'm so sick, like I'm genuinely sick of this.
She's already tired. हमने अभी कुछ भी नहीं किया, literally कुछ नहीं किया. अभी तो हम claw में बैठेंगे. I think she's gonna just pass out.
I think I'm literally gonna throw up. Like I'm genuinely going to throw up. Being forced to go on this. I really don't want to go on this. Okay guys, that one actually wasn't even that bad. We were just so scared. It's called Aladdin. Honestly, I was scared shitless and I felt like crying so hard in my hijab. The whole thing just came off. I did not bother fixing it middle of the ride. But it wasn't so bad. I liked it and I kind of want to go again.
See, I told you, देखने में बहुत scary लगता है, ऐसे नहीं है scary.
Like when you're upside down, it's kind of freeing. Like yo, that was good. वापस चले? पता नहीं.
मैंने इसको यही बोला चलते हैं वापस, हम हैं और.
So glad because we had like one scary ride left. I got sick so bad, but we had one scary ride left. I'm gonna literally Sprite be, or I was like a brown auntie. I was like, Uncle, namak hai, and then I put namak in my Sprite. Hamara blood pressure. But then there was one ride left, Sinbad, and I really didn't want to do it. And अभी हम लोग गए वो करवाने के, and the auntie like,
रिपेयरिंग हो रही है और रिपेयरिंग के फौरन बाद तो हम जाएंगे नहीं कल.
हाँ, exactly, because that's scary.
Yeah.
We don't trust it. So now we're just gonna have fun. I was sick and then we just stopped. Like we had our fun or whatever, but now we're at KFC and I know we should not be eating KFC. There's nothing else over here. पूरे बहरिया में कुछ भी नहीं है. After this we were wondering if we should get like a coffee. There's no place in Bahria to get coffee.
Is everything okay?
Me.
I do. Looking high and no. Thanks for never recording. Yeah, it was a good day which ended nicely. We should not be thinking about pictures. Not thinking about is still thinking about it. That's what we're doing. We're done having the day of our lives, guys.
Yeah,
we lived in the
so much
moment
fun.
so much.
We
and then,
forgot about the cameras, the phones, and
yeah,
everything.
there was this one moment when we were like by the pool wali side and the moon was there. Sun itna pyara, sunset
Like,
itni pyari.
right up there with
Yeah.
the stars and everything.
It was such a core memory moment.
Yeah.
We're gonna grab coffee. Just gonna go home.